students, welcome back. In this session of class 9 biology, we have started to discuss about your chapter, the fundamental unit of life, that is cell. In previous session of this chapter, we have discussed that which are the types of cell, what are prokaryotic cell and their characteristics, and what are eukaryotic cells and their characteristics. Okay. Even we have seen the difference between the plant and animal cell as well. This you have been studied from class 6, 7 also कि plant cell, animal cell में क्या difference होता है. Now altogether cell is the structural and functional unit. Understand? मीन्स पर्टिकुलर टाइप के जो सेल्स होते हैं वो पर्टिकुलर फंक्शन करते हैं, ये हमने देखा है, सुना है. बट डू यू नो हाउ डू दे एक्चुअली कैरी आउट दिस फंक्शन? डू यू नो दैट? हैव यू एवर थॉट कि हाउ डू दे कैरी आउट दीज फंक्शंस सेपरेटली बाय प्रेजेंट इन एन इंडिविजुअल्स बॉडी? नो, some of you may have thought, some of you may have not. So to understand it well, we will study about the topic division of labor. Okay, division of labor. What is meant by labor? Labor word is very familiar to you. Suppose एक example देती हूँ. Suppose there is a hotel, right? And some employees are working there. Are all of these employees working for the same kind of task? क्या सभी के सभी जो लोग हैं वहां पे काम कर रहे हैं वो सभी सेम काम करते हैं क्या? नहीं. All are human beings only, right? मतलब सारे सेल ही है. फिर भी एग्जाम्पल कोरिलेट करो आप. फिर भी the person who used to cook the dishes means chef, he is different person. The person who used to serve in the dishes is different person. The person who used to serve to the customer is different person. After that, the person who is mainly cooking or preparing the dishes for dessert, separate person. And at the last, suppose the person who is taking the charges, receiving the money or bills from the customer is separate person. Are you getting? होटल एक ही है, बॉडी एक ही है. अंडरस्टैंड? पर्सन जो है वो सारे ह्यूमन बींग्स ही है, सारे सेल्स ही है, बट हर एक का काम अलग अलग है. एवरी सेल हैज डिफरेंट फंक्शन एंड हाउ दैट इज दैट वी विल सी इन दिस टॉपिक डिवीजन ऑफ लेबर. सपोज वी हैव मेनी ऑर्गन्स इन आवर बॉडी. जस्ट से हार्ट, से वी कैन से हैंड और legs. We can say liver, say kidney, many, say stomach, then muscles. Okay. Now, heart. It is the organ which is present in our body. This is very special organ because this organ works since the zygote is formed till the end of life. Why? Because it is made up of a special type of cell. Okay, cardiac cell. कौन सी? Cardiac. Why only heart is made up of cardiac cell? Why not stomach? Why not liver? Have you ever thought? Because the type of function which is being carried out by cardiac cell through cardiac muscle is not expected to be performed by these organs. Understand? Because this is a cell in cardiac muscles के जो cells होते हैं, these cells are having ability to work continually without stop, without fatigue, without tiredness. Understand? So it is expected to be present in the cardiac, in the heart only. ठीक है. हैंड्स एंड लेग्स जो हमारे मसल्स होते हैं, देखो मसल्स में भी बहुत टाइप है अलग अलग के, दैट वी विल सी लैटर, जैसे स्ट्राइडेड मसल्स, अनस्ट्राइडेड मसल्स, स्पिंडल शेप मसल सेल्स, ये सारी मसल सेल्स होती है. दे आर प्रेजेंट एट डिफरेंट प्लेसेस इन आवर अपेंडेज बिकॉज दे आर हैविंग डिफरेंट एबिलिटी टू कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एंड रिलैक्स. जब हम मूवमेंट करते हैं, जब हम चलते हैं, जब कोई एक्सरसाइज करते हैं, कोई काम करते हैं, तब जो बॉडी की रिक्वायरमेंट है, सपोज मैं लिख रही हूँ, आई एम राइटिंग, so it's necessary to contract my muscles so that my fingers will bend. It's necessary to hold the chalk. तो ये grip बनाने के लिए the bones are not only sufficient, the skeleton is not only sufficient. The muscles are there which act according to the order of brain that we have to contract so that the fingers will bend and can hold the chalk. Clear? So different type of cell. Then liver. Liver is having its own cell. Kidney is having its own nephron. Okay. Why? Liver, purification. Kidney, filtration of waste material like blood and water. Stomach, churning of the food. Stomach consists of HCl. The mucus cell consists of the mucus secreting cells. All are having different functions. Understand? As far as human animal considered, we means human animal are the most evolved animal, living animal on the earth surface right now, and having extremely complicated body organization. जो different systems हमारी body में काम करती है, वो हर एक system का, हर एक organ का, हर एक पार्ट अलग अलग काम करता है, and all those are made up of different cells, and that is what, as तो आई टोल्ड यू कि सेल सेल ही है, उनका बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर वैसे ही है, उनमें उनके पास न्यूक्लियस है, उनके पास साइटोप्लाज्म है, उनके पास बहुत सारे सेल ऑर्गेनल्स है. सो ये बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर सेम होने के बाद भी दे आर कैरिंग आउट डिफरेंट फंक्शन, एंड दैट प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड एज डिवीजन ऑफ लेबर. डिवीजन ऑफ लेबर. द वर्क इज कैटेगराइज्ड, distinguished or allotted to separate and specific type of cells, which the cells which are coming together to form the tissue, and that tissue form a separate organ. Okay, you can simply imagine the heart is different from liver, liver is different from hand, legs are different from kidney, muscles जो है हमारे उनका स्ट्रक्चर अलग होता है, स्टमक उसका स्ट्रक्चर अलग होता है, फंक्शन अलग होता है. Understand? For example, acid HCl is secreted in the stomach. Okay? Digestive system में आपने पढ़ा भी होगा up to this class, और आगे 10th में भी आप एकदम डिटेल में पढ़ोगे. Stomach having this inner layer which is secret the HCl. फिर भी that does not cause any harm to the stomach or inner lining of the stomach, whereas it carries the function of killing the germs or microbes which enter through our food. This is also a miracle, isn't it? It's a division of labor. Understand? उसके बाद देखो स्टमक में अंदर ही म्यूकस लेयर है जो क्या करती है, म्यूकस सिक्रेशन करती है और स्टमक को उस एसिड से बचाती है. सो अकेले स्टमक में देखो कितने सारे डिफरेंशिएशंस है. ऑल दीज आर कमिंग अंडर द डिविजन ऑफ लेबर. समझ में आया? इस पॉइंट में आपको एक ही बात ध्यान में रखनी है, और वो ये है कि हमारी बॉडी में जितने भी सारे फंक्शंस कैरी आउट होते हैं, माइक्रो से छोटे फंक्शन से बड़े फंक्शंस, ऑल दे आर कैरिड आउट बाय डिफरेंट सेल्स. अंडरस्टैंड? बट वेयरएज यू कैन नॉट से कि किडनी की सेल अलग है, लिवर की सेल अलग है. रफली दे ऑल आर सेम. रफली few remarkable differences are there which enables these cell to carry out particular function. Understand? समझ में आया? इससे ही correlated है हमारा दूसरा टॉपिक, that is cell shape. Understand? Cell shape. Now, if you have seen the picture in your textbook, then you will notice that suppose ये आपकी सेल, एक सेल है, ये डिस्क शेप है, सपोज द सेल ऑफ रेड ब्लड सेल्स. एक ऐसी आपकी स्पिंडल शेप सपोज मसल सेल है, ये आपका एग आ गया सबसे बड़ी सेल. सपोज ये आपका नर्व सेल आ गया. ओके, along with that some are round shape, roughly round shape. ओके, जैसे ल्यूकोसाइट्स वगैरह होते हैं. ये सपोज एक सेल है, ये मसल सेल है, ये नर्व सेल है. ओके, ये ल्यूकोप्लास्ट है सपोज, या फिर हम उसको कहेंगे लीवर सेल इज ऑल्सो रफली स्पेरिकल लीवर सेल. सो you will notice that the shape of the cell is different from each other. Understand? The smallest cell is not visible by naked eyes. Okay, the smallest cell. The biggest cell is, see, it is about 10 centimeter in diameter. It is about few, matlab 1 to 2 meter in length. Understand? But some are 1 to 10 mu मतलब माइक्रो मिलीमीटर. अभी म्यू मतलब देखो 1000 पार्ट, 1/1000 पार्ट ऑफ मिलीमीटर इज रेफर एज 1 mu micron. Okay, so the cells which are visible by naked eyes like eggs, all eggs जनरली जो एग्स होते हैं, एग्स होते हैं बर्ड्स, और जो रेप्टाइल्स होते हैं उनके एग्स हम नेकेड आई से देख सकते हैं. उनमें सबसे बड़ा होता है ऑस्ट्रिच का एग, नियर अबाउट 10 सेंटीमीटर तक वो बड़ा होता है. 100 दिख रही थी, 10 सेंटीमीटर तक उसका डायमीटर होता है. इवन यू कैन होल्ड इट लाइक दिस इन योर हैंड. अंडरस्टैंड? द एग इज, दिस एग इज द लार्जेस्ट सिंगल सेल. क्लियर? Then you can have few m length of the muscle cell. Okay, then you have small circular disc shape RBCs. You have rounded WBCs. You have some spiral shape bacterial cell. You have some hexagonal shape virus cell. Okay, now you may have seen that how is the virus of coronavirus cell is looking. It is a circular having the crown-like outgrowth from its body. Okay, on the basis of these shapes, the bacteria are also divided into different categories. जैसे some are dumbbell shape, some are coiled or spring-like, some are oval, some are completely circular. Okay, these are also cells. On the other hand, some cells are irregular in shape. सोचो कौन है ये? आपका अमीबा. Okay, they are irregular in shape. When they moves or when they are trying to capture their food, they produce the pseudopodia. They produce the pseudopodia out of their body, which is enable them to trap the food. Understand? अमीबा की सारी भी स्पीसीज है, एंटामीबा, then amoeba. All these are having different, means they are not having fixed shape, so we can call that as a organism or the cell having irregular shape. अभी जनरली जो यूनिसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिजम्स होते हैं ना, यूनिसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिजम्स, उनका जो सेल शेप है वो बड़ा रहता है एज कंपेयर टू द सेल ऑफ मल्टी सेल्युलर ऑर्गेनिज्म. अंडरस्टैंड? लिसन अगेन. द सेल ऑफ यूनिसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म इज बिगर इन साइज एज दैट ऑफ द सेल ऑफ मल्टी सेल्युलर ऑर्गेनिज्म. अंडरस्टैंड? एंड द होल वर्क of the system is carried out by that single cell. See, amoeba is an unicellular organism. All the works, all the metabolic activities to survive for the amoeba are carried out by this whole by a single cell. जैसे आपका digestion है, excretion है, respiration है, reproduction है. चाहे वो asexual reproduction हो, that is not the matter, but that all the things are carried out by a single cell. Understand? Then along with this, in your textbook, if you see, I'll show you. In your textbook, see, I have reference book. You can refer any book. You have many cells like epithelial cells, sperm cell, then osteocytes, chromatophore. Different cells are given. They are having different cells. Human की बात करें अगर, if चलो मैं इसको रफ करती हूँ थोड़ा. Okay, if you talk about the gametic cells, gamete cells or the sex cells, then in case of female they possess egg cell. Egg cell is circular in shape roughly, but in case of male they possess egg, they possess sperm. जैसे आप sperm draw करते हो roughly, it's a head, it's a middle piece and it's a tail. Okay, it's a tail. So it is very long as compared to egg, but the size of one egg is quite bigger. मतलब it has been said that 15 times bigger, okay, than sperm. egg की जो size होती है, egg का जो shape होता है, not size, egg का जो shape होता है वो अगर हम पूरा calculate करें तो उसके 15 times बड़ा होता है approximately, not कि हर एक sperm का 15 times छोटा आएगा उससे. So this is what the variations in the shape of different cells. Understand? Clear? So what we have discussed in this session? In this session we have discussed that we have division of labor of the cells to carry out different functions very effortlessly and successfully. Along with the division of labor, cells possess different shapes. The some cells are clearly visible by naked eyes. For example, we can see the eggs, right? We can see the eggs of different animals that are also single cells. But some are very smaller, microscopic in size. For example, हमारे blood cells हैं, muscle cells हैं, amoeba है. These are very small sized single cell having different shapes. Understand? Now, it's okay up to this session. Now, what is remained from the cell? The cell size, okay, volume, that we will see in the next session. Till that time, what you can do is you read this topic and you very carefully observe the pictures which I have shown you. These were few pictures. You can search many other shapes from the different textbooks, different reference books, or with the help of your internet. Okay? Thank you.